Hello everyone, Pepe coin is up a lot actually on the month. It's up 27%. Want to talk about Pepe coin? Is this the time to be buying or selling Pepe coin, or what's going to happen next? Can we remove a zero at last? We're still a long way away from the all-time high. The state of euphoria and parabolia that we saw in the crypto market is going to be very, very hard to imitate once again. So yeah, let's talk about it. Also got two insane gems in this video that I want to show you. Two meme coins I'm very, very bullish on. And before we do get started, how can I not applaud or at least congratulate some of the traders down in the group in my free Discord down below? Look at this huge long position. Look at some of these big trades that they are making. It's free to join. Find my Discord right down below, ladies and gents, if you want to start hitting your crypto goals. And if you want to make this crypto journey easier, do me a favor and subscribe, and do any other things that you can also do. So now we can see Pepe is 0.0 to the power of 58105. On the day, it's up 3%. We're sitting at a $3.4 billion market cap. We have all of the supply effectively circulating. So yeah, really nice. We've still got all the accessibility across Binance, Coinbase, other exchanges too. It's kind of crazy to see that actually Bybit is delivering more volume there for Pepe than Coinbase itself. But yeah, we can see here, on the month, it's looking good, up 26%. It's down a bit on the week. And on the year, of course, it's still very much not looking amazing if you factor in the actual, end of 2024, because right now we're just seeing the start of 2025. And, obviously it's down way more than 1.8%. So yeah, Pepe coin, 789,000 followers. They're still active. They're not as active as they were, to be fair. It looks like the Pepe team have sort of gone quiet, which is sort of crappy. Not really my favorite thing to see Pepe go quiet like this, but hey, meme season comes and goes. And right now we did have a good run. We did have a very good attempt at breaking out, but every single time we try to break out, you can see here, look, this long position, 69%. We had a 75% over there. And, maybe we might actually make another leg up here to, for a 25% move to the upside, because we bounced quite nicely. If we look at our Fibonacci correction, we actually corrected around the 0.5 Fibonacci. So we made that good bounce. If we can hover around the support where we are now and see continuation to the upside, we might get another shot at this key resistance here, which is 0.00001. Obviously, we've not been there since around sort of April time, where we then came back down again, where Pepe started crashing again, and it's kind of getting a little bit boring, but yeah, we're still away from that previous all-time high, that very short window of euphoria and parabolia. So from the top, Pepe coin did correct a total of 81%, and typically, meme coins do correct harder than this. So I don't believe what we're seeing now is actually the true bear market bottom for Pepe coin. I think it will be lower, and I think it will, dip below 90% of what we've seen. So this is like the dead cat or the dead frog bounce, if you want to call it that right now, for the particular crypto market. If we bring up our JCC indicator, I will have to show you this, guys, because we have created a new indicator. It's called Tradewave. Well, Trendwave is the indicator. Tradewave is the suite, and this has also been making the traders a bunch of money in the Discord too. But look, Tradewave indicator, you can find this down below. Also flagged up a massive long position over here in March, and if you did get in with this indicator, you're up 50% from the close position, which is highlighted by the blue cross right there. So there's your partial take profits or full take profits. So we also got the Tradewave doing some bits over here, which it's bringing up these signals, and it last brought up these buy signals down here for leverage trading or going long or just simply accumulating. Did very, very well. And, the inverse occurred as well, with Tradewave actually identifying the top of the market cycle, and then it actually advised to then short or close the short, take partial profits, take full profits or whatever there. So it would have also indicated roughly a 55% gain to the downside if you were also on a short position. So yeah, check it out, guys. It's really nice. Tradewave. This is our in-house indicator. It's doing very, very well. You're probably wondering, well, how much is it and how do you use it? Well, it integrates straight into TradingView, the software that you can see right here, and it's $27.50 per month, as you can see right here. Click Get Started, and you'll go straight to my Patreon page. But I will say the Crypto Legend Patreon. So if you are a patron already, thank you very much. If you're thinking about becoming a patron, do feel free to think about it. No need to rush. but we do have limited space here, and the Crypto Legends for $110 per month will get everything: the signals, education, resources. You're going to get the buy and sell signals. You're going to get also Tradewave over here, freely included. It's part of the package. From the lower cost tiers, you're looking at like $4 per month or $11 per month for the different ones like Crypto Waver, Crypto Hunter, Crypto Degen as well. So yeah, appreciate the support. This group is of course going to help you battle through the crypto markets and hopefully make more gains at the end of it. So at the moment, what do I really think for Pepe? It's hard to say. It looks like we could see more upside potential if we do retest 0.00001. But of course, if the market does tumble again, then I think we'll still tumble like another 20% or so for Pepe. But I think the downside is minimizing, especially as we're sort of finding that neutral bottom here in the market, in the crypto markets. Of course, this is Tradewave on the daily time frame. We also have it on the 4-hour time frame, but it might not be as accurate. But then to be fair, it really did actually bring up some fantastic shorts recently. If you look over here, April 25, Tradewave indicator told us to go short right here, and look at that. As a result, we go short. Tradewave delivers another 15% position, and it has actually just opened a long. As you can see, it's kind of notified for a long position down here, which it caught at the bottom. So anyone that got into this long is now up 6%. So it is doing pretty good at the moment. Very keen to see what might happen. What else we got in the markets, guys? I knew you guys are looking for that next hot meme. WuCash. WuCash is for sure one that is seriously turning heads right now. I'm just going to sip this coffee whilst you guys just look at the website for WuCash, a new Solana meme coin launching on the 10th of May. That's 3 days away. I'm addicted to caffeine, I'll be honest. So WuCash tokenomics, total supply 1 billion, liquidity pool 100%, LP locked, purely because it's built for long-term conviction. So yes, WuCash Telegram group, I will link that down below so you guys can check this one out because it is seriously worth looking at. Not financial advice, but this Saturday will be launched, and we'll be trying our best to give also the Crypto Legend patrons that contract address as early as we humanly can. If it's a second earlier than anyone else, then that's great. That could be the difference between 1 and 20k, right? So yeah, it's all about timing. It's fastest finger, but it is a fair launch. So like I say, I've got no idea when it's going to launch, but the 10th of May is when it should happen. So this Saturday, the journey to $25 billion begins. WuCash now up to 5,000 followers. This is all fully organic growth. Extremely excited to see what might happen with this particular one. Good times are on the way, as you can see right there. Next one is Pepe. If you're looking for that Pepe coin alternative, well, this fuses together and celebrates the combination of artificial intelligence and the pinnacle of blockchain coming together. So one mine token is 0.0037515. They've raised $8.8 million in terms of USDT, and you can actually buy this one by clicking Best Wallet, Wallet Connect, MetaMask, connecting either of these hot DeFi wallets to the website. That's, fine to do. And you convert either Ethereum or Tether directly into your mine tokens. This will be going live in 23 days. There's not a long wait now. The AI agent, mined best crypto presale, 257% staking reward. So what is an AI agent? Effectively, mine goes well beyond just being the best crypto ICO. So of course, this is subjective. We don't know what the future entails. It could be a good one though. It could actually do really well because you're going to get market trend analysis, token deployment, holder exclusive alpha, and yeah, very solid tokenomics over here. Pepe got 22k followers, and they are getting closer and closer to their launch. So check it out, the token down below, ERC20 meme coin, before time does indeed run out. We don't have a long time for Pepe now. Before we go, guys, if you're buying meme coins, make sure you're using KSEX down below. 0 fees, basically the lowest fees in the crypto markets. That is a true fact. This will help you, save your money over time. And globally accessible, no KYC required, which makes it such a popular centralized exchange right now. It's your one-stop crypto shop where you can do everything, and it is really just built for that robust trader. If you want to trade, get trading, get doing longs, get doing spot trades, all that juicy stuff, it's your sort of go-to place. So yeah, as a wrap, I think right now Pepe is in an okay place for accumulation. I wouldn't be aping in, but it also depends on the time frame. How quickly do you want to get in and out of this thing? Because if you FOMO, you usually get stuck in for a very, very long time, and you're often left with little options. Do check out Tradewave, our indicator down below. It's doing seriously well. You guys are missing out on thousands of potential dollars every single day. So check out Tradewave down below. Do become a patron if you wish. And you know, this will help you also make more money in the market. So right now you might be missing out on hundreds of dollars every single day. Well, this will help you make more money. Of course, you know, we know you guys, and it's completely normal, but you guys will happily spend money on alcohol, coffee, cigarettes, and all these other things. But it's always good to invest in yourself, you know, for invaluable knowledge to really build up that, you know, the way you cognitively navigate the crypto markets, surf through the volatile waves of crypto, and become more of a robust trader using your own initiative and also having confidence in these markets. So check it out down below. That's a wrap, guys. Like, subscribe, comment. See you soon, eh? See you freaking soon. Peace.